Hello guys, in this tutorial we will learn about SEO. The first question is, what is SEO? Now SEO stands for search engine optimization. What SEO can do? SEO boosts your business brand visibility, or we can say that SEO makes your website stand out from your competitors. In simple manner, if someone asks to you what is SEO, then you say that to get any website at top of the Google search engine, to get any website at top of the search engine is called SEO. Means what SEO can do? To rank any website top of the search engine. There are various kinds of search engine. Some you know, but some people don't know. So for new learners, what are search engines? These are search engines: Google, Yahoo, Bing, Yandex. Now, what are the benefits of SEO? Why you learn SEO? And why your business need SEO? For that, increase visitors. If you have online business, then you want to that your websites has more and more visitors, then you can do SEO. Now to get it rank your website top of the Google, then you can do SEO. Now suppose if you have business and you want sales, you have traditional business. Suppose you're running a shop of cloth at your home, but you want that your business uh, come via online. Then what you can do? Use SEO to increase sales. Then improve business. Suppose you have new business, then SEO can increase your business brand visibility. How? If you are a new business at presence online, then with the help of SEO, you can promote your business by vivid platforms, by vivid techniques. So people will know about our business. Now, the most important benefit of SEO while learning SEO is to discover business a bright career opportunity. Why I say that SEO offers a bright career opportunity? It is very simple to learn and easy to understand, and any of the people, means 10th standard students, 12th standard students, college students, teachers, professionals, researchers, doctors, and everyone can learn SEO. Thank you for watching my video.